Washington apples can be found all throughout Vietnam, from the hustle and bustle of the cities to the calm and serene countrysides. And tonight, we're visiting the Nguyen An Ninh night market, where customers come out from under the stars to buy produce from all over the world.
I've been to a Safeway over Thanksgiving. I've even been to a Walmart during Black Friday, but nothing can prepare you for the controlled chaos that is a Vietnamese night market.
If you come here busy time, it's like busy all night, you move around a lot, you don't forget about time, it's gone.
Tuan and his family work tirelessly to bring fruit into the night market. And although their operation is near the city, the market serves customers from all over this part of the country.
This is like the biggest, wholesale market within Southern Province. All the people from other province, they come in, they stack up their goods, they go in, back to the province, they sell in the morning.
So we're here and all of this busyness is happening at night, under the stars.
Right.
So why are we doing it now at night rather than during the day?
First of all, the temperature. It's easier on the fruit. Also because nighttime, because of outer province. They take time like around, evening time. They drive here like another 4 or 5 hours.
Right.
By the time they get here around, 8, 9 ready. They pick up their food by morning time, like 6 in the morning. They're back in the place again and they sell again. And it's fresh.
One of the produce managers explained that although they get some apples from other places, most of them are from Washington State and the U.S.
What do you think about Washington apples and Washington products?
Táo Washington là một loại táo mà chất lượng rất là tốt về cái độ cứng và cái độ màu thì rất là đẹp và có độ bóng rất là cao so với các nước khác.
Couldn't have said it better myself. That's awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I grew up in this market and just been selling apple my whole life.
Calvin has worked his entire life to make sure that Washington apples are fresh and ready for the customers.
Now, traditionally, apples aren't grown here in Vietnam, or not many.
There are some kind of small apple like jujube.
Tell me how these apples differ from the ones that you get here in Vietnam.
Oh, so these apples are juicy and tasty and crunchy.
Do you get a really big bulk of stuff from Washington State?
Mostly Washington State for sure. They got cherries, they got apples. I mean, that's, when the season comes, apple is the main thing.
Next, Calvin took me across the market to his cold storage, where Washington fruit is kept fresh and ready to be sent throughout the provinces. And with the market being so busy, you better watch your step.
I mean, there's just stuff happening everywhere. Okay. Oh, sorry. Gotta get out of the road, man. There, run you over.
So I have all the U.S. apples ready here.
So how would I say apple in Vietnamese?
Tao.
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 Just that simple.
These are premium. You gotta look at this. Premium.
So what makes this different from the ordinary gala?
It's just more color and very hot and crunchy, and the fruit taste is very strong.
So it sounds like the color, that's the big deal here. Like
Exactly.
you wanna see it first with your eyes and know that's awesome.
Exactly. People buy it with their eyes here.
All right, well, let's take a look inside. All right, come on, let's check this out. Holy moly. All right, woo. When you gotta beat the heat in Vietnam, you come in a big, huge refrigerator with Washington apples. That's how you beat the heat.
While I was chilling out in a nice cool freezer, Christy and the rest of the crew were navigating that crazy traffic and that humid Vietnamese heat.
Anyone follow me?
What?
How did you get in here?
Hey, I looked for the coolest place I could find, and sure enough, I would find you here too.
Of course, well, I'm carrying your stuff. Here's your water.
Thank you, Christy.
Hollywood.
This is pretty cool, huh? To come all the way to Vietnam to see all of our Washington products.
The milk, yeah.
So if you could say something to all the farmers back in Washington State who are growing these apples, what would you say to them?
So I would say I'm very thankful to all the apple growers out there in Washington. Without your apple, we don't really know how to celebrate Chinese New Year or Vietnamese New Year. So very meaningful. Thank you.